For Thursday the 22nd of November 2018, welcome to a further update on the local weather scene for Force 13's Australia Oceania channel. This is one of my live webcams and we have a strong wind warning, Fraser Island coast down to the Queensland New South Wales border, excluding Harvey and Moreton Bays. And we start off with a look at the BSCH website. It's a GFS wind probability model, and what does one say about the activity south of Brisbane, right down along the eastern seaboard, taking in Tasmania and across to South Australia, Adelaide. We have a gale warning for the Illawarra coast, strong wind warning, Sydney Clays Waters, the Goffs, Macquarie, Hunter, Sydney, Batemans and the Eden coast. The Bureau in New South Wales has cancelled the one for the Byron coast. However, another look at the wind probability, the wind speed in knots is at the bottom of the screen, and each of these images are free hourly. And what I'm looking at is the dark red and the purple. Bureau Meteorology has another. They've actually cancelled the severe weather warning for the lower western forecast districts. However, the 12-hourly rainfall from the Bureau rainfall scale is the right hand side of the screen. The Bureau of Meteorology has other warnings in place, and during this update we'll cover everything that is going on. That webcam is looking to my east, however fire weather warning is in place for the greater Hunter fire area. Strong, warm, very dry west to northwesterly winds expected to generate elevated fire dangers over the fire area today. Bureau's total forecast of rain. And it's the area in green to dark green. Now another look at the BSCH wind model. And this is from 7 AM through to about lunchtime Friday. And look at that area in purple. Now we have a look at various Bureau Meteorology radars. This was recorded earlier this morning, starting off from Brisbane, going right down along the coast, across to Tasmania, up to Adelaide, then Darwin, and across to Cairns. Severe weather warning for damaging winds is currently in place for the Kangaroo Islands, or Island, parts of the Mount Lofty Ranges, the Murraylands, the upper south-east, lower south-east districts. Damaging wind conditions expected over parts of South Australia during this morning. An intense low pressure system centred over Western Victoria continues moving eastward to be centred over the Tasman Sea later today. Damaging south to southwesterly winds averaging 50 to 65 kilometres an hour, gusts of 90 to 100 kilometres an hour. Possible over the warning area, mainly near exposed coast. Wind gusts in excess of 90 kilometres an hour. Also possible for showers and thunderstorms. Locations which may be impacted: Victor Harbour, Menangie, Taina Ben, Colalempin, I hope I pronounced that one right, Robe and Millicent. Severe weather is no longer occurring in the Adelaide Metro, Yorke Peninsula, Mid-North, Riverland districts. Therefore, the warning for those areas is cancelled. Pardena recorded a wind gust at 2 minutes past midnight, 89 kilometres an hour. Cape Weatherby recorded 100 kilometre an hour wind gusts, 2:27 a.m. Hindmarsh Island recorded 104 kilometre an hour wind gusts at 2:35 a.m. Bureau Meteorology, South Australia has a gale warning, south central, upper southeast, lower southeast coast. Strong wind warning, Adelaide metropolitan waters, the lower west, the central coast, the Spencer Gulf, Gulf of St Vincent and the Investigator Strait. However, they've cancelled the one for the upper west coast. And for Friday, a strong wind warning will be for the far west coast. Bureau Meteorology Adelaide has a warning to sheep graziers for the Mount Lofty Ranges, lower Eyre Peninsula, the Yorke Peninsula, Kangaroo Island, Flinders, Mid-North, Riverland, Murraylands, upper south-east, lower south-east, north-east pastoral forecast districts. Bureau Meteorology has a gale warning for the Port Phillip Bay, the Western Port, the West Central Gippsland, East Gippsland coast, and a strong wind warning for the Gippsland Lakes. However, the Bureau Meteorology Melbourne will have a storm force wind warning in place for the East Gippsland coast. Gale warning will also be in place Friday, Port Phillip Bay, Gippsland Lakes, Central Coast and the Central Gippsland Coast. Strong wind warning, Western Port, West Coast. Repeating, storm force wind warning will be in place for the East Gippsland Coast. Gale warning, Port Phillip Bay, the Gippsland Lakes, Central Coast, Central Gippsland Coast. Strong wind warning, Western Port and the West Coast. And a severe weather warning for damaging winds remains in place for the southwest forecast district. Low pressure system over the Wimmera district will move eastward across northern Victoria on Thursday and weekend, damaging southwesterly winds averaging 50 to 60 kilometres an hour, peak gusts of around 90 kilometres an hour likely to develop over parts of the southwest district during Thursday morning, afternoon. Coastal and elevated areas are at risk, particularly with passing showers. Locations which may be affected: Warrnambool, Portland, Nelson. Severe weather warning for the Mallee district has been cancelled. And a warning to sheep graziers: Wimmera, north central, northeast, southwest, central west and the southeast Gippsland district.
You can follow Force 13's outlets, the website force13.com with the latest. You can also find our YouTube page. You're probably there already, but if not, subscribe if you haven't so far. You can also find our Facebook page, Force 13 all in text, and it's at Force 13 on Twitter if you'd like to get in touch with us on there. You can also help the project become even better by enjoying the benefits of patronage. You can find out more information about how to become a patron and what those benefits are at patreon.com/Force13. You can also add Force 13 on Skype and Fool 13 at extension 9094 on Discord for tropical weather chat.